Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we'll tell you about a unique desktop 3D printer compatible with ceramic and metal-filled filaments, the 3DCeram Sinto M.A.T, as well as other products by this company. 3DCeram Sinto is known as a French manufacturer of unparalleled SLA devices for industrial printing with proprietary paste-like materials characterized by ceramic-like properties. The latest development of the company, the M.A.T 3D printer, was created in partnership with the German company Tiwari Scientific Instruments. It is the first device of its kind in the 3DCeram Sinto lineup, ready for printing with proprietary ceramic-filled filaments, silicon carbide, zirconium dioxide, and aluminum oxide. This machine can be used for research purposes and to create a wide range of ceramic products, including medical implants, industrial ceramic components, and other high-precision products with complex geometries. Manufacturing parts using an M.A.T is no different from 3D printing with any other FFF machine. The ceramic-filled filament is layer by layer melted onto the print bed. Once the printing is complete, the so-called green ceramic undergoes the mandatory procedures of removing the binding polymer and final sintering. For this purpose, it is possible to use auxiliary equipment by 3DCeram Sinto or third-party companies. The build volume of the M.A.T 3D printer is a cube with an edge of 200 mm. The print head is equipped with a liquid cooling system. Options include an actively heating chamber and a heated plate. The body of the machine has a rigid steel frame and rail guides, traditional solutions guaranteeing stable printing. Additional options include the possibility of printing in metal-filled filaments, titanium, copper, stainless steel. The basic line of 3DCeram Sinto SLA printers includes three key models, 100, 1000, and 3600, as well as their modifications. In addition, the company produces customized hybrid versions of its units that print with basic ceramics and additional materials simultaneously. The main difference between the models is the build volume and productivity. As for the printing accuracy, even the basic models are ready for printing with a layer height from 25 microns, while the horizontal resolution is determined by the diameter of the laser spot, 35 or 50 microns. Standard 3DCeram Sinto printers are designed to use one printing material. The index in the model name indicates the printing area in square centimeters. The largest model in the line, the C3600 Ultimate, has 4 lasers that work simultaneously to speed up the printing process. Hybrid units allow creating 3D objects from 2 or 3 ceramic pastes, alternating layers of materials to obtain different properties of the finished product. 3DCeram Sinto specialists have developed 11 ceramic photopolymer pastes with different physical and chemical properties. The printed parts are used in the scientific, technical, and medical industries. This is Top 3D Shop with the overview of 3DCeram Sinto additive manufacturing machines. Subscribe to our channel, leave comments, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you soon.